Ever wonder what a food safety expert actually orders when they eat out? Well, get ready for a fascinating peek behind the curtain. Bill Marler, a leading food safety attorney, recently found himself at Ramsay's Kitchen, a swanky St. Louis restaurant owned by the renowned chef Gordon Ramsay. He approached the menu with the same discerning eye he uses to protect us from foodborne illnesses. Marler, who calls the Seattle area home, was in town for a court case. The case involved individuals who allegedly fell ill due to E. coli contamination in romaine lettuce. This type of litigation is practically second nature to Marler, who has spent decades battling companies over foodborne illnesses. He's seen it all, from the smallest outbreaks to some of the most devastating in the country, going all the way back to the early 90s. And this is where it gets interesting. Marler's career really took off when he went after Jack in the Box. Their undercooked hamburgers caused hundreds of people to get sick, tragically leading to the deaths of 4 children. This case was a turning point, sparking crucial food safety reforms. What do you think? Does this knowledge change how you view your food choices when dining out? Would you like to know more about his choices? Share your thoughts in the comments.